Here's what you'll need for my minced chicken kung pao recipe. Some minced chicken, obviously, thumb-sized piece of ginger, some garlic, half a lemon for the juice, some peanuts, fish sauce, crushed chilli, soy sauce, some corn flour as it's called here, that will thicken up your sauce, spring onions, and then whatever veg you fancy. First thing we're going to do is melt a bit of oil, coconut oil or your vegetable oil that you're using, into a pan. And then it's into there with your chicken mince, and we're just going to brown that off for around 5 minutes. While your chicken is frying away, it's time to wash and prepare your veg. With your veg nicely chopped, it's time to take your chicken out of the pan and then go in with your crunchy veg. With your veg nicely prepared, it's time to take the chicken out the pan, and then it's in with your crispy veg. And we're just going to give them a few minutes to soften down. When they've had a couple of minutes, time to go in with your ginger and garlic that you've crushed, and then in my case mushrooms, and we're going to give them a couple of minutes as well. When they've had a couple of minutes, time to go in with a tablespoon of your fish sauce and a couple of your soy sauce, as many or as little chili flakes as you like, your cornstarch mixed with a bit of water, and lastly lemon juice of half a lemon. Now we're just going to let that simmer away just to reduce the liquid down so it becomes thicker, more like a sauce. When it's reduced down a bit, time to go back in with your chicken so that absorbs all them flavours as well. Give the chicken a couple of minutes to reheat through, and then it's time to get it on a plate. Onto a plate it goes, and to finish it off we'll have a few more chili flakes. Obviously if you're not that into chili, don't use them. A few little spring onions that you've kept back, and lastly some crushed peanuts. And then all that's left to do is to get stuck in.